On April 27, 2011, this EF4 tornado, part of the larger 2011 super outbreak, ravaged Alabama, killing 64 people and causing over $2 billion in damage. Witnesses described the sky turning a deep, terrifying green as the tornado approached. By the time it touched down in Tuscaloosa, it was more than a mile wide and tore through homes, businesses, and lives without mercy. In just a few short minutes, entire neighborhoods were wiped off the map. The tornado's path stretched over 80 miles, hitting both Tuscaloosa and Birmingham. It was one of the most destructive tornadoes in recent history, and the scars it left behind still linger in the affected community.